Hello, my name is Todd Stevens and I am the Manager of Operations and Customer Relations here at Thrust Industries. Today, we are going to discuss steel rule dies and their capabilities. Here is a collection of steel rule dies and the parts that are produced on them. A steel rule die is comprised of three main parts: the bottom substrate, the steel rule, and the ejection rubber. Now, the die maker burns with a laser the required layout on the bottom substrate. Here is an example of a wood substrate without the steel rule or the ejection rubber. The die maker will then bend the rule to match the configuration and seat it into the board. Here is an example of a tool with the steel rule seated in the tool. As you can see, the ejection rubber is off to the side. The steel rule is the cutting edge that cuts the material. Finally, a layer of ejection material is placed on top of the rule. Here is an example of a completed tool with ejection rubber. The only purpose for the ejection rubber is to basically eject the material out of the die after the blank has been hit. The tool by itself will not cut material. You need the introduction of pressure or tonnage. This is accomplished with a die cutting press. Here are examples of presses running parts. Material is placed on the platen either by the machine or by an operator. The press closes the platen onto the tool. The pressure from the machine presses the material into the tool, thus cutting the material. As the press opens, the ejection rubber ejects the material back out of the tool, and voila, you have a die cut part. Once a press is set up, it can run many identical parts using a wide variety of materials. As I close, here is a gallery of a small collection of die cut parts. The configuration can be as simple as a square, interesting as a stencil, complex with many different shapes, or patterned with multiple holes. We can die cut a variety of materials ranging from films to adhesives to foams to plastics. Thank you for watching our video.